Alright guys, so the sway bar for the rear end of the Mustang is finally here. I'm going to get this installed because it's going to make it feel so much better when driving it. So yeah, let's get on and let's go get this installed. It looks pretty simple. But anyways, this car has been missing the rear sway bar for a long time. It needs to be done. So, was super excited this actually came in. Been waiting for it for about 3 weeks now, and it finally arrived the other day. And it is time to install it. Hopefully they left bolts though. And this is the Eibach rear sway bar. I've also got their lowering springs as well. Oh, come on, bolts. Alright guys, so I literally ran to Home Depot. They closed in like 5 minutes. And I gotta tell you, I grabbed these bolts just guessing. And somehow I grabbed the exact bolts I needed. I thought I was just gonna have to ghetto rig it for now, but I got the literal exact bolts I needed. Let me start grabbing this stuff and getting it ready so we can get this thing installed. Let's grab this. And this. Let's get onto the back. Okay, small issue. The end links are gone off of this, so I can't even install the sway bar. The end links that would go right on here to that are missing. So, but yeah, that sucks. So if you guys ever get mad at me because videos aren't up consistently, just know this is kind of what happens. I think I have everything, and then I don't. Like, I didn't have the bolts. I kind of had a feeling they were gone. I did not even think about the end links. It didn't even faze me. Alright guys, welcome back. It's day 2. I've got the Mustang back up on the jack stand, or got it jacked up. I finally got the end links in so that I can get the rear, so I can get this rear stabilizer bar in, and kind of get this thing going. Kind of excited. Kind of want to see what this car can do. But took a while to get these. Took about a week or 2, so that was the big holdup there. All right, so I got the adjustable end links. I actually found just like the first ones that were available. I didn't really care, I just wanted them. And I wanted them fast. But it is super hot out today, so I picked the best day to do this. Let's see what we got here. So I got both the left and the right white line adjustable end links because I have the lowering springs on this car. Down there I've got the Eibach lowering springs. So, and this is really the last part I need so I can install that Eibach sway bar and get that going. This other side. Could not have picked a warmer day. But it's alright. As long as we get this car running right, we are all good. And that's probably the hardest part with this car, is the fact that I don't know what the original specs were. So like something like this is just gonna have to go to a shop and they're gonna have to do that. Or I'm gonna have to look online and adjust it later.
So I do not have the original sway bar, so I don't know what the length is. So I think we're looking at
am sweating my ass off, but it's all right. So so I've got the sway bar in there. Now it is time to hopefully open this up. We need to lube the bushings before we put it in. Hopefully you guys can see this pretty well. Let me get that changed. But all I need to do is get this tightened up, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. And then I will catch back up with you guys when we're about to put the end links on and get it all fastened up. So give me just a moment. All right, so I got the end links installed right here. And then I've got the mounts and everything for the sway bar. Just need to tighten those up and tighten those up. I might need to get these checked for an alignment just because I didn't have the OEM ones to measure out how long they were, so that is something that will have to get done. But I'm gonna tighten up these bolts and then catch back up with you guys then. All right, everything is tightened up down there. Sway bar is installed. Honestly, it's just cleaning all this up and taking it for a test drive, but it is hot as hell out today, so I'm gonna wrap this up, get this cleaned up, and then I'm going to go for a test drive in the AC in the car. So we will talk more then. All right, so I took it for a drive. It drives a lot better. It needs to be adjusted because I don't know what the length is on those, like I was talking about on the sway link ends, or the end links. I didn't know what the OE length was, so I kind of had to guess. They need to be adjusted. You can kind of tell it's still a little not centered back there. It dramatically has changed, but there's some fine tuning to be done. But it drives a lot better. I'm glad I was able to get that in and done today, but it worked out super well. Car is back together. Honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, that's the last piece we needed from the crash and everything that was missing off the car that they took. So that was everything. I mean, now it's just all modding the car, but yeah, I'm super stoked. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and please comment down below what you want to see on the channel. And yeah, I'm super stoked that the car is finally done, but it's not done, but it's getting there. All right, I will talk with you. I'm done rambling. I will talk with you guys in the next one. Peace.